In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tracking pixel on EverWebinar and WebinarJam. This is a crucial step if you want to optimize your marketing efforts and track the success of your webinars. Stick around till the end for a special bonus that'll help you make the most of both platforms. First off, let's talk about why installing a tracking pixel is important. If you're running any kind of ads, whether on Facebook, Google, or other platforms, you need to track the effectiveness of your campaigns. By adding a tracking pixel to your webinar platform, you can see which actions your attendees are taking and optimize your ads accordingly. Now, let's dive straight into the process for EverWebinar. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your EverWebinar account and go to the Webinars tab. From here, select the webinar you want to add the pixel to. Once you're inside your webinar settings, navigate to the Integration section. You should see a field for adding a custom tracking pixel. This is where you'll paste your pixel code. Next, copy the pixel code from the ad platform you're using, like Facebook or Google, and paste it into the custom pixel field. After that, save your changes. This will ensure that your webinar is now tracking valuable data from your ads. Next thing, let's move over to WebinarJam. The process is very similar, but there are some slight differences. Once you're logged in, go to your Webinars dashboard and select the webinar where you want to install the pixel. From there, click on the Settings option, and then the Tracking Pixels section will appear. In the Pixel section, you'll paste the same tracking pixel code from your ad platform. Once you've done that, save your settings and you're good to go. Now your WebinarJam event is fully set up to track performance across your marketing channels. The fourth thing, you may be wondering, how do you check if the tracking pixel is working properly? A quick tip is to use the Pixel Helper Chrome extension if you're using Facebook ads. This extension will show you whether the pixel has been installed correctly on your page. One last tip for you before we wrap up. If you're looking to track even more detailed actions, like when someone registers for your webinar or attends it, make sure to customize your tracking pixel further. Both EverWebinar and WebinarJam allow you to track specific actions that can help you fine-tune your marketing strategies. Before we go, don't forget, if you want to start using EverWebinar or WebinarJam for your own webinars, you can access a completely free trial with exclusive bonuses through the link in the description below. In summary, installing a tracking pixel on EverWebinar and WebinarJam is an easy process that can significantly improve your ability to track and optimize your webinar marketing campaigns. Whether you're using Facebook, Google, or another platform, these tools will help you better understand your audience and fine-tune your campaigns for maximum success. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the link below and start optimizing your webinars today.